In this video, we are unboxing and demonstrating a short handle flex head quick release ratchet wrench set. This is the short handle flex head quick release ratchet wrench set. Its core function is efficient and labor-saving removal plus installation of bolts and nuts. It solves the issue of limited space with regular ratchet wrenches and the need for repeated repositioning. This is the small size ratchet wrench. Medium size ratchet wrench. Large size ratchet wrench. We will use the small size ratchet wrench as an example for demonstration and explanation. This ratchet wrench can adjust direction through 180-degree movement, helping solve removal issues in tight spaces. Press and hold the button on top to install the socket. After installing the socket, release the button to lock it in place. When the selector lever is moved to the right, the ratchet head rotates clockwise. Adjust the selector lever. When the selector lever is moved to the left, the ratchet head rotates counterclockwise. This wrench features a short handle design, making it more suitable for working in tight spaces.